All right, hey, good morning, traders. TG Watkins here. It's November 16th when I'm recording this, and we are coming up on Thanksgiving. We got Turkey Day coming up around the corner, and that also means we got some good sales. We got Black Friday coming up there, so we want to make sure that you guys all know about this. We are putting quite a few things on sale, and the code is BFS, as in Black Friday Sale 23. We got 8 days left on this. We've got all of our traders up here. We got some of the big ones that are ready. And then we got here the Moxie indicator is also on sale too. So if anybody was looking to pick it up, this will be a great time to do it. I know we are remodeling our house, so we're looking at a few deals and coupons out there as well. All right, so this is one of the things I wanted to show you guys from the Orlando Money Show presentation that I did. And so you can see that this is a little bit old as far as the this being around, but that's the point. I wanted to show you guys that this was one of the slides that I did, and it was over Halloween weekend. And I was basically talking about this, and they said, hey, this is what started the process of the indexes making their way back up. And if you kind of look, you can see every time that the market was low, put call was high. Market low, put call was high. Market low, put call was high. And this was a big one. The put call ratio was basically up here and pegged at 1 for several weeks. And that was a very, very long time. So then we come over here and, what are we seeing? Well, we could see that, yes, it was pegged for a long time. And then look at the rebound that we finally got on this. And that is the point of what I was looking at. And when, everybody was very despondent and bearish at the money show. And I was kind of saying, look, I don't know when this is going to trigger. I don't know when it's finally going to go to the upside. But I do think it's going to at some point. And I think we should be prepared for it. And sure enough, that's what we got over the last, week and a half, something like that, 2 weeks coming up. So yeah, we started seeing that happening. So from there, I just want to make sure that you guys understand that there are some big forces out there. I do think this is going to carry for a while. Obviously, it is very extended, so we do need to have price come back down and come back in. And, we just need to wait for the pullback, either a flag or a pullback or something. But I think we've got some fuel that can help power this forward. It's hard to ignore that this was a big move, and at this point, yes, we need to wait for a pullback of some sort, look for dips, something like that. But I think that we've got some good wind at our back for a little bit, maybe even to the end of the year, and then we'll kind of see where things go. But overall, I think things are looking all right for that reason. I'm going to be putting a few more things out from the Money Show presentation because pretty much everything I was saying there was right on and accurate, and just told people like, hey, look, I think we're going to get something at some point. Everything was spring-loaded to finally release, and now we're getting that. So you just kind of have to pick your spots gently, and once you do that, then you'll be okay. So just remember, come on over to simplertrading.com/flash-sale and enter promo code BFS as in Black Friday Sale 23, and we'll see you there. So again, if you guys want the Moxie indicator, we got it. All right, guys, thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.